we had an effort to put up and heighten visibility of Native community, and had a statue project that sparked a little bit of interesting public debate because the family members for this guy known as Chief Bemidji, his Ojibwe name was Shaynowishkung, all of his descendants are still alive, so they got to populate the board making decisions about what was going to go in the plaques and what was going to go into the statue and so forth. Once the city council got to read the plaques, they're like, I guess it was a challenge to white comfort. So they're looking at all of that and they're saying, do we have to tell all of this? Can't we just talk about the nice stuff, And I said, I know we're in a place, where Minnesota nice means you get a new neighbor, you drop off a casserole and give them their space. But truth and reconciliation, that starts with truth. I was proud to see, although some people voted against it, more people voted for it, and they pushed through the stuff and they did the truth telling, and it's a very visible piece there. And we have a bilingual signage effort, so the regional event center and the hospital and all the area schools have signs in Ojibwe and English, and all of that is just the beginning. It doesn't solve all the problems, it just makes a little more safe space where we can talk about the problems. And I am hopeful that the arts can inspire us to our better natures and engender a meaningful and productive conversation, and I'm seeing it start to happen.
That's great.